What is up, folks? Today I'm going to show you quickly how I make my own Smashburgers. I have been making them for about 2 years, and the way I'm making them has actually changed over time. For myself, I use 1 pound of 85% lean, organic, grass-fed beef. So each patty or meatball is about 8 ounces. As you have seen, I also like to pre-season my beef. I like it really hot and spicy. The buns I'm using are called UnbelievaBuns, which are very low in carb and do not spike insulin significantly. According to my experience, this temp is just right. By the way, I did learn from the best. I learned from the Flat Top King. However, I obviously adjusted the recipe a little bit just to suit my own needs. I do like smashing in my onions as they remain better in the patty that way. Once the cheese is on top, I usually leave them for another about 5 minutes for them to be well done and to have the sear I'm looking for. I use Heinz ketchup with no added sugar and sometimes even sugar-free burger sauce, just not today. Here is the final result. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Until next time.